Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amelia Anggi Rahmawati. At this meeting, I would like to present material on the history of literature of the 45 generation. Let's watch the video. What is meant by the literature of the 45 generation? The 1945 literature is a period of Indonesian literature that emerged and developed after the proclamation of independence of the Republic of Indonesia. Speaking from 1945 to the early 1950s, this generation became a significant milestone in Indonesian literary history, reflecting the spirit of struggle, nationalism, and socio-political change after the colonial era. Writers of this generation were not but also as a man of struggle and a means of covering the ideology of independence. They were both more expensive and full of a spirit of change. Next, literary background of the 45 generation. The emergence of Generation 45 literature cannot be separated from the political and social situation at the time. After Indonesian independence of Augustus 17, 1945, the need arose to create a new national identity. Literature served a medium to strengthen the spirit of nationalism and independence. This period also saw a spread from classical literature to realist and humanist type. The themes of the works were not longer limit and kingdoms or myths, but rather social realism, the suffering of the people, the struggle against colonial, and reflection on the meaning of independence. The literature of the 45 generation has the following characteristics. Point 1. Crying the spirit of independence and revolution. Point 2. Reading style of realism, straying forward and realism. Point 3. Language use is fair and leads straight to classical rules. Point 4. Many discuss socio-political, people struggles, and nationalism. Point 5. The main characters are often depicted as the people struggling to face problems. This is important figures of the 45 generation. The value contained in the literary works of the 45 generation included nationalism and love the country, struggle and suffer from independence, humanist defense of human rights and social justice, freedom of choice, reject ideology, restriction, and demand freedom of choice, social criticism, describe poverty, justice, and corruption. Conclusion of the material. The literature of the class of 1945 realized the split of struggle and nationalism of the Indonesian nation after independence. The writers and the generation were not only of beauty, but also as a form resistance, social criticism, and reflection of the state of society, with their concrete in expressing their ideal and flexing. The literature of the class of 1945 became a significant milestone in the history and modern Indonesian literature. That's all the material I've presented. Do you have any question? Okay, before concluding our presentation, I would like to thank everyone for their attention to our presentation. I hope this material has been useful to all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.